Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create cart page upsell items on Shopify. So let's dive in. So what you essentially want to do is jump onto your app store and you will find the Shopify app store right here. You want to type in upsell and cross sell. Okay, it's this app right over here. Upsell and cross sell, sell easy is the name. So this is the one, and once you click on it, you will install it. Now, once you're here, you will actually see it on the left-hand side underneath apps. You'll see Sell Easy. Now, once you've opened it, you'll have to add in a credit card detail if you have not already got one connected to your Shopify store. And here you want to go ahead and you need to enable the Sell Easy on your Shopify theme. So it says find and enable the Sell Easy app embed. So let's copy this over here. And from here, we're going to go to theme editor. There's a direct link right at the bottom of this tab. On the left hand side, you're going to see it says Sell Easy, and we are going to just turn that on. On the top right hand side, we're going to say save, and now this will work within our Shopify store. So let's jump back into our storefront, and right from here now you will see that this page will open up again. So from here, you're going to choose the appropriate option. And of course, what we're looking for is the cart add-on. So we're going to go ahead and click on create on this one. And here we can add the offer name over here. So we're just going to say offer 1. And here we are going to add a product. Okay, so we can add a trigger. We're going to say specific product. We're going to select our product. So this is the product that people are purchasing. We're going to click on add. Right over here, the offer product. This is what you are going to try and upsell. Now, I've created an oil painting cleaner, right, for this oil painting. Right here, we're going to click on add. And you can now add additional offers over here. So you can select more than one. You can also enable discount to make it a little bit more appealing. So you can have like free shipping. You can have a percentage discount or a fixed value discount. And once you're done, you're going to go down and there are some other details. So if you have an override default widget title, this will appear on your online store. And once you are complete, we're going to go up to the top and we're going to say save offer. Okay, so this is on your cart page. And there you go, you are complete. You will now be able to use that upsell icon when people are making purchases on your Shopify store. Now, if you want to learn more about Shopify, you can go ahead, drop us a like, explore our channel and see what awesome content we have. We'll see you over there, folks. Peace out.